Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question number 27 from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper and the question paper code is 30/3/2. Question 27 says a point P divides the line segment joining the points A and B in a certain ratio. If the point P lies on the line y equal to 2x, then find the ratio AB is to PB and coordinates of the point P. Let's assume that the point P divides AB in the ratio m is to n. Since the point P lies on the line y equal to 2x, there is a relationship defined between the x coordinate and the y coordinate. For every x coordinate, y is twice the x coordinate. Therefore, P of xy is P of x comma 2x. Now let's apply the section formula to get the values for m and n. The section formula is given by mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Here x1, y1 is taken as the coordinates of A and x2, y2 are of B. Substituting these coordinates, we get P of x comma 2x is equal to m times 7 plus n times minus 3 upon m plus n, comma m times minus 4 plus n times 5 upon m plus n. Equating the x coordinates and the y coordinates separately, we get x is equal to 7m minus 3n upon m plus n. 2x is equal to minus 4m plus 5n upon m plus n. Substituting the value of x in this, we get 2 times 7m minus 3n upon m plus n is equal to minus 4m plus 5n upon m plus n, which is 14m minus 6n upon m plus n is equal to minus 4m plus 5n upon m plus n. The m plus n can be cancelled on either sides, leaving behind 18m equal to 11n. So m upon n is 11 upon 18, or we can say m is to n is 11 is to 18. That is, P divides AB in the ratio 11 is to 18. Next, we have to get the coordinates of the point P. X is 7m minus 3n upon m plus n. Substituting m equal to 11 and n equal to 18 in this, we get x equal to 7 times 11 minus 3 times 18 upon 11 plus 18, which is 23 upon 29. This is the x coordinate of the point P. Y coordinate of the point P is nothing but 2x, which is 2 times 23 upon 29, that is 46 upon 29. Therefore, the coordinates of P are 23 upon 29, 46 upon 29. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.